Hello guys, today we prepare a smoked roast beef. To smoke the roast beef you cannot cook inside the oven like you do usually. So I will use this barbecue homemade from my dad. You need to close the meat, I don't know if it's the right word. So when the stone is very hot, we will put the meat on the stone, moving from all the sides of the meat. In this way all the liquid with the good taste of the meat will remain inside. After we hang inside here the barbecue, and we will put directly on the charcoal or on the stone the material that will make smoke. I will use pink pepper. I will write down, don't worry. Jupiter berry, for sure is wrong. Laurel, green one, so will make a lot of smoke. And the wood from apricot, that they say that is good wood for smoking the meat. But before that you put the meat on the stone, we will put the sea salt, but big pieces every time. In this way the salt will be on the meat but not the liquid will go out from the meat. I hope that the situation is clear, but I show you in the video. At the end, for the testing, we have special guest. See you at the end for the testing. Okay, after 1 hour with the smoke, I take a branch of rosemary. I clean the stone, I remove everything from the stone. I put the branch in the fire, more smoke, quindi, so perfect. Now I add more wood. When the fire is on again and the stone is very hot, we complete our cooking of the meat. We cook the meat in the right way. So we put on the stone 3 minutes for sides. So in total I think that 1, 2, 3, 4 will be enough. So in 12 minutes, maximum 15 minutes, your meat is well done. So let's try it. See you at the end for the tasting. Sta cadendo.
Vai, caduto.
spectacular. Outside is a little bit crunchy, inside very soft. The only problem that with the knife, I don't know if you can cut very thin. If you can, is the best way. In this way you can taste the meat and also the smoke. But if you like, you can add more salt, maybe a pinch of pepper, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So guys, if you try, let us know. You can write down a comment. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, to share this video with your friends, to check also the video of L'UOMO di Casa.
The houseman.
You will find many good video, other recipe, and also many things that you can do at home to fix your stuff at home. Bye bye.
Bye bye.